Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. A couple months ago, I made a video on Track Titan. Track Titan analyzes data from your racing sessions and gives you tips to help you get faster. Since then, they've added loads of new features, including a personalized newsfeed and F1 data analysis, so you can see how your favorite driver handled a lap at any circuit on the calendar. I've also spent a lot more time with it since then, so I wanted to make an updated version of that tutorial. When signing up, make sure to use my affiliate link or code RM45TT and you'll get a month of the Plus membership free and support the channel. Track Titan is a data analysis tool that is compatible with F1, ACC, Assetto Corsa and iRacing. It takes telemetry data from your sim racing sessions and compares it to the reference lap to give you advice on how to get faster. It also has quizzes, public and private leaderboards, the Academy, which has all sorts of advice and track guides, setups and real-life F1 data. I'll cover these in more detail later on in the video, but now I'm going to show you how to analyze the data. In this video, I'm going to be using some of the Plus membership features, so if you're using the free version, then you might not have access to them. So the first thing you're going to need to do is set up the data logger. To do this, you just install it from the website, connect it to your games, and you're ready to go. Now you need to log a session on any supported car track combo. I say supported because some Assetto Corsa mods aren't compatible with Track Titan. You'll get a visual cue when the data logger starts recording. You need to complete at least one lap for it to register to Track Titan. After your session, go to the Track Titan website to see your data. You can either scroll down to your last session or go to your sessions on the sidebar. Click through to analyze. On the analysis page, you'll see the segment times for your fastest lap, your session performance graph, and the session info. You'll see the track map split into mini segments so it's easier to analyze. Each segment has a number circled in green or red. Green means you're faster than the reference lap, and red means you're slower. Unless you have a specific place you want to improve in, you should click on the pulsing red circle because that is your slowest one compared to the reference. The mini segment analysis makes it easier to compare your line, pedal, steering inputs and speed with the reference laps. It also provides helpful tips for that segment. So, while writing this script, I noticed for F1 you can now see a video of the reference lap as well as the data for that segment. This doesn't seem to be available for all the simulators yet, but let me know if your experience differs. I suggest looking at the driving tips first. In my case, it says I got onto the throttle too late. It also says I lose the most time in corner exit. I think this is because he got on the throttle earlier so he has more speed at the exit. So now let's see where the reference is getting on the throttle and see what else they're doing differently. Here, the data graph starts just as we lift off the throttle before we brake. So you can see he starts lifting off ever so slightly after me. You can see how much earlier he gets on the throttle as well. They also tail brake a little coming into the corner. So knowing this, I can hop back into the sim, try what I saw in the data, and hopefully improve my time. Then, once I've done that, I can look at my session and improve on that one as well. This is a really quick and easy way to improve, but Track Titan has another way. Let me show you. The Academy has all sorts of resources to help you go faster. To get it, click on Academy in the sidebar, then select your game. There isn't anything for F1 23, but there is for 22 and 21, so you should use those for the F1 games. Once you're in, you can access quizzes, videos, tips and challenges. Just click on the one you want to do and complete it. Now let's look at some of the other features. The race engineer is one of my favourite things in Track Titan. It allows you to see the real F1 driver data, just as you do your own. Again, you can access the race engineer from the sidebar. Select your season, choose the track and session you want to look at, and select the drivers to compare. I think this is a really cool feature as not many places allow you to look at this. You can create a pod or private leaderboard with your friends. Just like the other features, you select it from the sidebar. Creating a pod is quite intuitive. Select Add Pod, then give it a name, start and end date, and select the game and track. Then invite people to join. You can buy iRacing, Assetto Corsa and ACC setups from the car setups menu. You can also pay for a subscription which gives you unlimited iRacing setups for the current season, 10 ACC setups a week, and unlimited Assetto Corsa setups for the current LFM season. I haven't tried any of these personally, so I can't say what I think of them. They claim they've been proven in esports. Remember to use code RM45TT to get 30% off setup subscriptions, 1 month of the Plus membership free, and support the channel. You can also get news from Track Titan. You can personalize the news to show you things relevant to you, and you can also select the series you want to see news from at the top of the page. So that's everything I'm going to cover in this video. I think Track Titan is something every sim racer should try because it's really cool, and being able to look at real F1 drivers' data and your own is really useful and has definitely made me faster. I'm thinking of putting it to the test and seeing how much faster it can make me, so like and subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and remember to use my affiliate link or code RM45TT when signing up to support the channel and receive a month free of the Plus membership. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.